water. It's essential for life, but a major threat to your plant's piping systems. At ROCKWOOL Technical Insulation, we're committed to protecting your assets with innovative insulation solutions that shield against corrosion under insulation. Corrosion under insulation, or CUI, is a costly and persistent challenge for industrial plants. That's why we rigorously test our insulation products using the ASTM G189 standard, designed to simulate the real-world conditions that cause CUI. The test helps prove the effectiveness of our insulation in preventing corrosion in harsh environments. In this method, water is introduced between the insulation and the pipe surface to replicate corrosive field conditions. CR-Tech is a proprietary inhibitor that will work in parallel with ProRock's existing water repellency technology, WR-Tech, a hydrophobic solution that is coated on every individual fiber. The ASTM G189 test simulates real-world environments by heating the pipe and exposing it to water over a set amount of cycles. The cycle alternates between wet and dry periods, simulating the thermal stresses pipelines experience in industrial operations. By measuring weight loss on the steel, we can calculate the corrosion rate and compare the performance against different insulation materials. In these tests, ProRock's PS965 with CR-Tech demonstrated 5 times better corrosion mitigation than other hydrophobic insulation materials. And when compared against mineral wools without corrosion inhibitors, CR-Tech performed even better, with a 15 times lower corrosion rate thanks to the active corrosion inhibitor that forms a thin protective film on top of the pipe. CR-Tech's proprietary inhibitor goes where the water goes, forming a protective film that shields your pipes from corrosive fluids. Together with WR-Tech, our water repellency technology, ProRock's PS965 offers unmatched corrosion resistance and superior protection for industrial pipe systems. Corrosion under insulation can lead to unanticipated heat loss, costly maintenance, and hazardous leaks that put personnel, processes, and communities at risk. But with ProRock's PS965, you can significantly reduce these risks and protect your plant from the costly impacts of CUI. By choosing ProRock's PS965, you're selecting a solution that is not only tested to ASTM standards, but exceeds expectations in corrosion protection. Whether you're an engineer, an EPC, or an asset owner, this performance can translate to longer asset lifespans, reduced maintenance costs, and safer operations. Tested against industry standards, ProRock's PS965 with CR-Tech outperforms other insulation materials. Whether you're concerned about water ingress, corrosion, or thermal performance, ProRock's provides a complete protection package. Trust the proven technology of ROCKWOOL Technical Insulation to protect your assets from CUI. ProRock's PS965 with CR-Tech. Superior corrosion resistance, water repellency, and lasting performance for your plant.